Alright, you guys asked, so I'm gonna deliver. I'm finishing up my skincare routine right now. My skincare routine is really glowy. So I'm really excited to use a demi matte sunscreen just because sunscreens are usually super, super shiny and oily and greasy, or they're super, super matte and just suck the life out of your skin. So I'm very excited to use the new Murad Invisible Sunscreen. Here she is, the Murad Environmental Shield. We're gonna put her on. We're gonna let her cook. Piece right there, a little bit right there, and a little bit right there. All in all, while it didn't really mattify me, it also really doesn't look like I put a sunscreen on, which is great because a lot of sunscreens just sit there and clog your pores, which this one doesn't feel like it'll look like it's going to. It doesn't have any fragrance. It just smells like, not sunscreen-y, but like a skincare sunscreen would. And it looks really pretty on the skin. I feel like I have a glow from within, but I don't have a glow where I look like I'm a grease ball. So Murad, you did right by us with this one. 10 out of 10 would recommend.